Want your car's sound system to truly shine? The right amp wiring kit is essential. Even the best amp and speakers can't perform if the wiring can't deliver clean, efficient power. Think of it like putting premium fuel in a high-performance car. Quality wiring unlocks your system's full potential. Today, we're breaking down 5 of the top-selling amp wiring kits, looking at what makes each one stand out. I've compared specs, user reviews, and value to help you find the best fit for your setup and budget. Stick around for my number 1 pick, the kit that nails performance, quality, and value for most car audio fans. If you find this helpful, hit subscribe, drop your questions or experiences in the comments, and check the description for the latest deals. Let's get started. First up at number 5, we have the InstallGear 4-Gauge Complete Amp Kit, a consistent bestseller for good reason. It's affordable, easy to install, and comes with everything you need: power and ground wires, RCA cables, speaker wire, remote turn-on, and all the connectors. The flexible wiring makes routing through tight spaces much easier, a big plus for D-wires. While it uses copper-clad aluminum, CCA, instead of pure copper, it's more than enough for most moderate power systems. User reviews highlight smooth installs and noticeable sound improvements with plenty of community support and how-to videos available. The included ANL fuse holder and decent RCA cables round out a package that's reliable for most setups. Cable lengths are generous, so you won't get stuck short mid-install. This kit is all about value and convenience, perfect for budget-conscious upgrades or first-time installers. It's not the most premium, but it's a workhorse that covers the basics well. If you want a straightforward, complete kit that won't break the bank, InstallGear is a top contender. It sets the standard for what a solid entry-level kit should offer. For most users, it's a smart, hassle-free choice. Just match it to your amp's power needs, and you're set. A great starting point for any car audio upgrade. Next at number 4 is the Boss Audio Systems Kit 2, an 8-gauge kit designed for smaller amps and subwoofers. Boss is known for budget-friendly gear, and this kit delivers reliable performance at a low price. It includes all the essentials: power and ground wires, RCA cables, speaker wire, remote turn-on, fuse holder, and handy extras like wire ties and split loom tubing for a clean install. The CCA wiring is standard for this price, but it's perfectly adequate for lower power systems. Users praise its simplicity and the fact that everything needed is in the box, ideal for first-timers. The included accessories like the grommet and wire ties make installation safer and neater. The AGU fuse holder and shielded RCA cables help protect your system and maintain sound quality. For small setups, this kit is a reliable all-in-one solution. It's not for high-powered amps, but for basic upgrades it's hard to beat for the price. Boss strikes a good balance between cost and functionality. If you're powering a modest sub or component speakers, this kit gets the job done. Positive reviews and practical features make it a go-to for budget builds. No frills, just dependable performance. A solid pick for entry-level car audio. Now let's step up to the New England Providore 4-gauge amp kit, a premium choice for those who want top-tier performance. The standout here is true oxygen-free copper OFC wiring, which offers better conductivity and corrosion resistance than CCA. OFC means more efficient power delivery and cleaner sound, especially for high-power or audiophile systems. The insulation and jacketing are also higher quality, built to withstand heat and abrasion for long-term durability. True-to-gauge wires ensure you get the full copper content you're paying for. No shortcuts. The kit includes upgraded RCA cables, heavy-duty ANL or mini ANL fuse holders, and gold-plated terminals for optimal connections. These premium touches add up to a more robust, reliable system. The result? Tighter bass, clearer highs, and a more immersive listening experience. While it costs more upfront, the longevity and performance gains are worth it for serious enthusiasts. This kit is built to last, potentially outlasting your car. If you want the best foundation for your sound system, this is a smart investment. It's for those who know that wiring matters as much as amps and speakers, premium materials, better sound, and long-term reliability. A clear upgrade for anyone serious about car audio. Now moving on to our number 2 pick. Rockford Fosgate is a legendary name in car audio, and their RFK 4X4 AWG kit lives up to the brand's reputation. This kit is all about quality and reliability, with true-to-gauge, high-strand wires for excellent current transfer and flexibility. Depending on the version, you'll get either CCA or OFC, but both are engineered to meet Rockford's high standards. The robust fuse holder, secure terminals, and tough insulation are built for years of dependable use. The kit includes everything: power and ground wires, twisted pair RCA cables for noise rejection, remote turn-on, speaker wire, and all necessary hardware. Rockford's custom fuse holders and distribution blocks integrate seamlessly with their amps, adding to the brand's ecosystem feel. Users trust this kit to deliver clean, stable power, crucial for optimal sound and amp performance. The strong support network and wealth of installation resources are a bonus for DIYers. It's a bit pricier, but the peace of mind and proven performance are worth it for many. If you want a kit backed by decades of expertise, this is a safe bet. Rockford Fosgate stands for durability and quality. It's a dependable choice for anyone who wants their system to last. A premium kit from a trusted brand. Finally at number 1, the Kicker 46 PK44 Gauge OFC Kit, a top seller and a favorite among car audio enthusiasts. Kicker uses 100% oxygen-free copper for maximum conductivity and minimal signal loss, perfect for high-power systems. The hyper-flexible, tough jacket resists heat, chemicals, and abrasion, ensuring long-term durability. This kit delivers the clean, robust power your amp and subwoofers need for hard-hitting, distortion-free bass. The package includes OFC power and ground cables, remote turn-on, high-quality twisted pair RCA cables, and a premium AFS fuse holder. Every accessory matches the wiring's quality, ensuring consistent performance throughout your system. Users report immediate improvements in bass response and overall clarity, especially when upgrading from lower-quality kits. The flexible cables make installation a breeze, even in tight spaces. High-quality terminals ensure secure, reliable connections. Kicker's attention to detail makes this kit a favorite for both DIYers and pros. It's a benchmark for high-performance amp wiring. If you want the best for your powerful system, this kit is hard to beat. Trusted brand, premium materials, and outstanding results. My top pick for serious car audio upgrades. There you have it, 5 of the best amp wiring kits, each with its own strengths. From InstallGear's value, Boss's reliability for small systems, New England Providore's premium OFC, Rockford Fosgate's trusted quality, to Kicker's outstanding performance, there's a kit for every build and budget. My number 1 pick? The Kicker 46 PK4, full OFC, durable, and a proven performer. But remember, the best kit is the one that fits your system's needs. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more car audio reviews. Drop your questions or kit recommendations in the comments, and check the description for the latest deals. Before you make your final choice, let's break down how to pick the best amp wiring kit for your setup. First, consider the gauge. The lower the number, the thicker the wire. If you're running a powerful amp, go for 4 gauge or thicker to ensure safe, efficient power delivery. Next, check the material. Oxygen-free copper OFC offers superior conductivity and durability compared to cheaper copper-clad aluminum CCA. Always verify what's inside, not just what's on the label. Compatibility is key. Make sure the kit matches your amplifier's requirements for both power and ground wiring. Look for kits that include quality fuses, sturdy connectors, and enough length for your vehicle's layout. Don't forget about the RCA cables if your system needs them. Finally, set a budget, but don't cut corners. Better materials and thicker wires are worth the investment for performance and safety. Read reviews and check for certifications if possible. Choosing the right amp wiring kit doesn't have to be complicated. Focus on these essentials, and you'll get the best sound and reliability from your car audio system. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.